everyone. Welcome. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana, and I'm happy to be here with all of you today. And I have received questions about changes and applications. So I guess rather changes that occur while the application is pending. And this was someone from the Facebook group that said that their fiance had changed a job and they're wanting to know, how do I update my application? And so the reality is, when you file your application, whether it's a fiance visa or your green card application, wait times are long, and in life there are a lot of changes. And if you change jobs or you move and things like that, there are updates that will ultimately, or inevitably rather, happen. And really, those changes are something that you update in later stages of the case. The exception, though, is if you change addresses. If you move, then you would need to update your address with USCIS. That's very important that you update your address, and you legally need to do that so you receive notifications. But if you have changes in jobs, other things like that, specifically the change in job is the question that I receive the most. There are other steps in the application process. There can, depending on what type of case you're doing, if it's a fiance visa and you're starting out with that first step, that petition, there's going to be two other applications that you're going to have to do. One for the interview at the consulate, and then later the interview in the United States. And so those will be opportunities for you to provide updated information at that time. So you wouldn't have to necessarily take any kind of proactive step. But please know that I am just talking about changes in jobs, because that is the question here. It's always best to consult with an immigration attorney to know whether or not the information that has changed is something that immigration would need to receive an update on. Because if you were to be a green card holder and naturalize, that is something you definitely want to update, because that can be beneficial. But in general, there's opportunities to update your information at later phases of the case. So I hope that helps answer this individual's question.